Hola, y'all. Today, you get to be a detective. You are going to learn words so that you can interrogate and investigate like a pro. You're going to learn words like who, what, when, where, how, and of course, why. With these vocabulary words, you'll be solving mysteries in no time. Let's go. Kian, who. Kian, who. Kian es el dueño de la casa. Who is the owner of the house? ¿Quién vio qué pasó? Who saw what happened? ¿Quiénes? Who? Or who all, plural, more than one person. ¿Quiénes? Who or who all? ¿Quiénes tienen acceso a la casa? Who has access to the house? ¿Quiénes estaban en la casa? Who was in the house? Who all was in the house? ¿De quién? Whose. This is just a little bit different. This is like, who does it belong to? Whose. De quién. Whose. De quién falta el dinero? Whose money is missing? De quién fue la idea? Whose idea was it? De quiénes, from more than one person. Whose. De quiénes. Whose in plural. ¿De quiénes están las huellas? Whose footprints are they? Who do those footprints belong to that I see? ¿De quiénes fueron robados los celulares? Whose phones were stolen? ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué falta? What's missing? ¿Qué ocurrió? What happened? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cuándo? When? You need to know when something happened, right? The timeline is important in detective work. ¿Cuándo notaste que faltaba? When did you notice that it was missing? ¿Cuándo podemos ver la evidencia? When can we see the evidence? ¿Cómo? How? ¿Cómo? How? We need to know how someone did something, right? Such as, ¿Cómo entró el ladrón? How did the thief enter? Or, ¿Cómo escapó el ladrón? How did the thief escape? ¿Por qué? Why? Why does anyone do this stuff? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué llegaste tarde? Why were you late? Or ¿por qué faltan tantas cosas? Why are so many things missing? ¿Cuánto? How much? We're asking about a quantity of things. ¿Cuánto? How much? ¿Cuánto dinero fue robado? How much money was stolen? Or ¿cuánta evidencia necesitas? How much evidence do you need? ¿Cuántos? How many? We're asking about quantity again, but this time we can actually count how many. It is a more specific number. ¿Cuántos? How many? And it's just like maybe you noticed with cuánto. It can be cuánto or cuánta, depending if what you're talking about is masculine or feminine. For example, ¿cuántas personas habían en la fiesta? How many people or how many persons were at the party? Or ¿cuántos invitados ya salieron? How many guests already left before this happened, right? And then we have cuál, which. Cuál, which. You have a choice and you need to choose one of them. ¿En cuál parte de la casa estabas? In which part of the house were you in? It's a big house, lots of places. Which part? ¿Cuál parte? Or, ¿cuál es tuyo? Which is yours, or which one is yours? ¿Cuáles? Which ones? So again, you're asking for you to choose a specific thing out of choices, but in this case, you are choosing more than one. Which ones? Okay. For example, ¿cuáles personas estaban en el cuarto? Which persons were in the room? Like, there's more than one of these people in this lineup that were there. Who are they? Which ones? And ¿cuáles personas fueron robadas? Which persons were robbed? Which of the people in this room had something stolen from them? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Dónde está el dinero? Where is the money? It's the important question when someone steals something, right? Where is it? Or ¿dónde vives? Where do you live? ¿A dónde? To where? So this is very similar to donde, where, but this is specifically to where. Like, where are you going? To where? ¿A dónde piensas que vayas? Where do you think you're going? Or, ¿a dónde fue el ladrón? Where did the thief go? To where did he go? ¿De dónde? From where? So very similar to donde and a dónde, but it's de dónde, from where, the source of origin. ¿De dónde desapareció el dinero? Where did the money disappear from? Like, where was it? Or, ¿de dónde recibiste esta información? Where did you get this information? Where did you receive this information? And there you go. You are equipped with all the interrogation words you need to solve some mysteries. You can ask, what happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Who was there? All the questions that you need. So be a good detective and go solve a mystery.